We got mail. We got mail from Ichiban Moto. That's right. I'll tell you about his channel here in a minute because it's a really cool channel. He's fixing to hit 150,000 subscribers and hadn't made a video in a year and a half. Isn't that crazy? We'll be right back unboxing this after this message. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas somewhere, and Maddie's here. We're gonna get this unboxing done, and it has something to do with this. This was my grandpa's. Check it out. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we at the point. She's got her all cut open. Let's see what we got. Now remember, I've got this, and it usually sits, or in the past, it sat up there to the side of me cooking a lot. Yeah, my grandpa's. Let's see what we got from Ichiban Moto. Interesting. He has one of these. He put some super dry in there too. Oh, check it out! Now I got an Ichiban Moto shirt. I wear the crap out of it. Check this out. Look what he sent me. Yeah. We talk back and forth a little bit. Not on video, but I will be sending him some gator shake or some Uncle Steve shake that he will be cooking with. I got a carburetor tweeter kit right there.
What's that?
You put this together and you tweak your carburetor with it. It takes these 3 pieces right here. Ichiban Moto. Save 11%. Yeah. And it's got one of those code things to click. So anyway, he has some really cool videos. They're about motorcycles and him fixing them and stuff. He's hilarious, but it's dry humor type deal. I mean, I got sucked into watching them videos, and I think he was around, I don't know, 80,000 subscribers, and he's got like 9 videos in the millions, and he just has good content, you know. You gotta start, you watch a couple of his videos and you'll start figuring it out. He's really cool. Like I said, we converse back and forth. He watches some of my videos. Yeah! Extra large. That's Papa. Yeah. Alright. I needed a new one, man. I wear that one out. I wear his t-shirt
You wear it like every
once a week. Once a week. 'Cause it's good quality. Let's see here. Hanes. Let me take my shirt off and see what I got. What do I have on?
I can't read it.
You can't read Chinese? Alright folks, here we go. It's a shark! Something tells me something's going on here. Alright, so she's going to open it. While she's doing that, what Maddie and I are going to do, this is old. Do y'all even know what this is? It's a drill. So you put your bit in here, and you hold it, and you drill. He does that on some of his videos, you know. But anyway, so you drill. Oh, and also, you keep your bits in the top. That's a wooden handle. So what we're going to do, he found this one, I believe, on eBay. And that is so cool. We'll show them up next to each other here in a minute. So what we're going to do is Maddie's going to take on this project. Yes, she works in the backyard with me. We take computers apart. You've done that. Work in the garden, cooking, doing all that stuff. Now remember, the one he sent us has no holes in it. So he sent us this one, and this was my grandpa's. So that is awesome. And it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh, someone lacquered that together. I'm gonna have to bust that nut. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a video with both these, and so what she's gonna learn to do, we're going to refurbish them and bring them back to life. That was going pretty good. That was a little slower. Try them both out. So it's going to be a project for her. We'll videotape bits and pieces of it, make one video out of it. And if you're still here, when you make videos, they got a new thing where you can put chapters down in your description, so that if you're watching a video and you see these little marks right underneath or at the very bottom of the video, you could actually go down the description and see what part you want to see and click on it, and it forwards it to that bit.
Wait, why is there this?
So what this does, you have to turn this. You have to turn. Well, it's kind of stuck. Okay, so you turn it up. See, it just needs to be worked on. So it opens up. It has those 3 pods. It opens up and you put your bit in there, and then as you go down, it'll tighten it back up. So that's how that works. So that is really cool. I'll get that. Yeah, like I said, somebody's redone that handle and it just got stuck on there. It was a really cool thing.
There's nothing.
There's nothing in it. This one has nothing in it either. And I tell you what, these are good still in today's world. These are like old, y'all. Really old. So the thing is, I go out into the woods and I need a drill. I just take one of these. Who needs electricity? That's right. All right. Ichiban Moto. Did he not send me stickers? He usually sends people stickers. All right. Well, that's what we got. He sells these little things. Like I said, he has a fun channel. There it is. Right there. There's my money shot. Bam! Alright folks, we got a couple more videos we're going to make here today that y'all are going to get to enjoy watching over the next couple weeks. Yeah. Is this our next one? Check this out if you're still here. La Molienda. Papa's potato chips. Spicy hot. Spicy hot. You better have something to drink. I got my blue tea over here because I'm fixing to sweat with this baby. Alright, y'all. That's what we got. Y'all take care. Have a fantastic week. You know, that probably shakes the camera. I don't know. It's Papa. It's Papa, Texas. See y'all on the next one. See you. Where's your thumb, man? Yeah! See y'all. Stay blessed.